Hello everyone, we are the student of DAV Public School of class 10th. We are going to present art integration project in mathematics under the guidance of Mr. Kunal Malik. Group members are Jayman, Anshika, Harshita, Abhishek, Niket and Sagar. Our topic is mathematics in agriculture.
Now, let us see how farmers use maths. Mathematics has enabled farming to be more economically efficient and has increased productivity. Farmers use mathematics as a system of organization to effectively utilize their time and manage their money. Farmers use numbers every day for a variety of tasks from measuring and weighing to land marking. I intend to explore some of the ways maths is used in farming.
Maths on farm. Numbers are an integral part of farming. Locations and machines are commonly described or labeled with numbers. One of the most frequently used math concepts on the farm is the use of proportions. Land is measured in acres. Farmers create mathematical systems of equations and inequalities to help them make decisions about which crops to be planted in which fields.
Now let us see the area, productivity and production of different crops of Sikkim in the year 2017 to 2018. Here are some crops given by the area, production and productivity. Yeah, production and productivity of rice in Sikkim. Production and productivity of wheat in Sikkim in different years. Area, production and productivity of maize in Sikkim in different years.
Maths in agriculture. Mathematics plays a very important role in agriculture and is vital to all farmers. Some of the examples where farmers use mathematics in agriculture are measuring of soil fertility, estimating crop yield, calculating costs and profits, conversion of units and measurement of area. Agriculturalists also use number to grade and describe seeds.
Maths in soil analysis. Knowledge of mathematics is very important for the analysis of soil. It is required to measure the moisture and the acidity of the soil.
This measurement will allow farmer to decide what kind of crops they can grow in their field and what kind of fertilizer he could use.
Farmers use maths when applying chemical and fertilizers to the soil. They need to measure how fertile the soil is, how much fertilizer is required, how much it will be cost.
Let us see the land use pattern in Sikkim by using bar graph. Given land use in Sikkim and area covered by them. Now draw x-axis and y-axis graph, where x-axis is used for land use pattern in Sikkim and y-axis is used for area in square kilometers, and take a suitable scale. Now from the table we can draw the bar like this in the figure shown. Of crops in Sikkim using a pie chart. Now let us see the different crops grown in Sikkim like rice, wheat, maize, finger millet, barley, buckwheat, pulses and oilseeds in the year 2017 to 2018. As you can see, In this pie chart, the production of maize is higher than all the crops. Mathematics plays a very large role in agriculture, but most of the time we don't even realize it. Through meticulous planning and calculating, a farmer can predict his crop yield, expenditure, income, and much more with the basic knowledge of mathematics. Thank you.